Are you tired of your Windows 11 feeling slow? I'm about to show you a registry trick that can speed up your PC instantly. It's simple, safe, and will make your system feel like new. Let's dive in and supercharge your Windows 11. So to speed up your PC using the registry, I'm going to take you through 3 registry tricks, okay? So let me bring my whiteboard. So the first trick we are going to use is to disable startup delay, okay? And what it does is it removes the artificial delay Windows add after startup, okay? So to perform this action, we are going to click on the search and then we click on registry editor, okay? So you're going to allow for this app to make changes. So at the registry, we are going to expand HKey current user and then we expand software. So at the software, we are going to expand Microsoft. So I'm going to scroll down, then I'll expand Microsoft. So at the Microsoft, I'm going to expand Windows. So I'm going to scroll down to Windows and then I'll expand Windows, okay? So at the Windows, I'm going to expand CurrentVersion. So at the CurrentVersion, I'm going to scroll down to Explorer, okay? So I'm going to click on Explorer, okay? So at the Explorer, I'm going to create a key and name it serialize. I'm going to right click on the Explorer and I'll go to new and then key. So I'm going to name my key serialize, okay? So in the key, we are going to create a D word and name it startup delay in MSEC. So to do that, I'm going to right click on the serialize. I go to new and then D word 32-bit. So I'm going to name it startup delay in MSEC. Okay, so we are going to leave the value at 0, the data value. So if I double click on the startup delay at MSEC, we are going to leave the data value at 0. Okay, so what this does is it disables startup delay, so it helps make your system boot faster. Okay, so the second trick we are going to use is to speed up apps and menu launches. Okay, and what it does is it reduces the delay Windows uses when opening menus and apps. So to perform this action, I'm going back to the registry. So we are going to use the HKey current user, okay, and then we expand control panel. So at the control panel, we are going to click on desktop. So at the desktop, you are going to look for menu show delay, okay? So I'm going to scroll down and then here is it, menu show delay. So the data value is 400. So we are going to change the data value from 400 to 100. So to do that, I'm going to double click on the menu show delay. Then I'll change the data value from 400 to 100, okay? Then I'll click on OK. Okay, so what it does is it helps speed up the apps and menu launches. So when you are launching apps or menus, it helps speed up the process. Okay, so the third registry trick we are going to use is to reduce background app throttling. Okay, so what it does is it prevents Windows from slowing background processes. Okay, so it's very good or it's very useful when you are multitasking. Okay, so to perform this action, I'm going to go back to the registry. So we are going to use the HKey local machine. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down to HKey local machine, then I'll expand it. Okay, then I'm going to expand system. So at the system, I'm going to expand current control set. Okay, so at the current control set, I'm going to expand control. So at the control, I'm going to look for priority control. So I'm going to scroll down to priority control. Okay, so here is it, priority control. So in the priority control, we are going to create a D word and name it Win32 priority separation. So I'm going to right click, then I'll go to new and then D word 32-bit. So I'm going to name it Win32 priority separation. Okay, then I'll press on the enter key. So now at the priority separation, I'm going to double click on that. Then I'll change the data value to 26. Okay, then I'll click on OK. So this is best when you are multitasking. Okay, so these are the registry tricks you can use or perform to speed up your system. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, Please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.